Hey everybody, I'm about to do a retwist on my hair. I want to real quickly show what it's looking like right now. My first retie was so crazy, y'all. My arms was done. I had to keep digging deep to find the motivation. At one point, I even thought I'm gonna just go ahead and call a loctician because the pressure just kept adding up. Sometimes you just need to take a rest, eat, take a second to cool off, and regroup. Keep watching to witness my challenges firsthand and what I learned and took away from my first Microloc retie. Alright y'all, I am back and my hair is complete. If you haven't already and you have it in your heart, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the love from each and every one of you. I am so glad because, let me see, how many days did that take? I think that really took me like 3 days off and on to complete. This retwist definitely made me work for it because I had tangles. I ended up tying my hair in a knot. Trying to get through something challenging right now. I accidentally tied a knot in my lock. So I'm close to being done, right? And then I get to the back and then there's a, you know, I'm thinking I interlocked it, but I accidentally tied a knot in it. I've been trying to get this knot out for like 10 minutes. I had accidentally interlocked a lock last time when I did my first tie. Okay, right here there is hair. These two locks are stuck together. So you see how like these I can pull apart and it's like, okay, I can work with the parting, whatever. Yo, I did it right here too. It's not that bad right here, but this one is bad. So I am going to be trying to separate those two locks. I may have to get my razor out because the way how it is stuck together, I don't know how else I'm gonna get it unstuck because they are in there. So this is actually my first retie, but yeah, I definitely have some challenges this time, but that is now part of my lock journey and my history because I have got past that. I wanted to show you guys my scalp and show you guys what my hair looks like. So I think first I'm gonna do like a little 360 and I'm gonna try to go slow. Here we got the side. So there's the back. I don't know how I'm gonna do this side because I'm about to hit my desk. Hold on. Here's my other side. And now the front. The first time I did my interlock, I used nothing but water and my comb. Well, this time I actually used this. This is Joie Naturals. It's MyGel, and it says it conditions, thickens, nourishes hair while stimulates through. Well, the reason why I used this was because I wanted to have something to help keep the hair in place. It's very easy, as you guys may know, for those of y'all that have locks or have done a lock journey, it is easy for the hair to move every which way, and I just wanted something to mold the hair down so it stayed in place while I was trying to do my parting, and this definitely helped. I wanted to show you guys my parts. I'll start with the middle because it's right there. Crispy. Yo, the part is crisp. Do you see the definition in the line? I think I did a really good job. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments, but I'm proud. And it's really like that throughout my whole head, y'all. I really took my time. Whole head parts is crisp. Do you see? That is crisp. So this is how I usually wear my hair. I'm so glad that my retie is done because now I have that definition again. And so when I put my hair to the side or do whatever style I'm doing, you can see the hard work that I put in. And for all the hours it takes to do a retightening, I want somebody to be able to tell that I did some hard work. I mean, I know it, but I want what I feel on the inside to be a reflection to the world on the outside. Question of the day. Do you do your own reties yourself, or do you go to someone for them to do them? Go ahead and leave your comments down below. I wanted to go over one thing that I noticed and that I'm going to pay more attention on going forward, which I've already mentioned, but I need to stress parting. I didn't realize how big of a deal my parting was going to be until I did my retie. The reason I'm saying that is because, you know, like how some people say they don't really care about the parts. Even I said that at first. Like I was like, you know, I'm not a stickler on the parts. But after doing my first retie, I definitely now will be a stickler on my parts and making sure they're crisp. And the reason is because when you have hairs coming from one lock to another lock that wasn't really supposed to be there, but you didn't really make sure that it didn't get stuck to that lock, well, when it's time to do that retie, what I noticed was I had some hairs growing from one lock and into another lock, and then it was causing like them to look like they were combining a little bit. A few strands here and there, I'm pretty sure it's going to be human nature to do, but I'm talking about like if it's just due to me simply not taking the time to get a comb or to mold down the hair and to make sure that the hair is in the proper section, I'm kind of setting myself up for failure, because as it grows, I now know that that will be a problem. It's not something that I want to deal with, so I'm going to be very OCD about my parts, detail oriented to make sure I don't make that mistake again. And I think I did a good job. Hopefully this will pay off later with the parts being so crisp and everything being where it's supposed to be. I think the next retie will go a lot smoother, but a lot of the problem I had this time was definitely because I didn't take the time the first time to mold it down and to make sure everything was exactly where it needed to be. I'm going to try my best not to make that mistake ever again. Now I know how important that is. I'm going to come back either in this video or a later video to do a link check, and I'm going to do them every month just so I can keep track of where my hair is as far as my length, or if it's like shrunk or if it's got longer. I think, well actually I know that my hair is definitely thicker than my first install, and definitely thicker than last month. I have a lot more volume, but I like it. I'm excited for what the future holds. I appreciate the love and support from each and every one of you. Peace, love, and blessings to you all. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.